We are now about to move into our next phase. We are very, very lucky. And before we go, thank you, Stephanie, again. And I'd like to now introduce Matt, who's going to do a virtual nature reserve tour. We're now going live to Matt Dove-Jones from Tees Valley Wildlife Trust. His role as Life Skills Manager. Life Skills normally run a 12-week program for people who face barriers to their everyday life due to health and well-being issues. The program encourages people to engage with nature, be active, meet new people, give back to their community and learn new skills, all of which are proven to improve health and well-being. Due to the COVID-19 lockdown, they have not been able to run these sessions as we normally would. Instead, Matt has been visiting Tees Valley Wildlife Trust nature reserves using his mobile phone to talk to the Life Skills participants and show them around the site. The participants have enjoyed these sessions and have stated it really feels like they're walking around the site and have enjoyed getting to see and talk to one another. So, straight over to Matt, reporting live at the Tees Valley Wildlife Trust Nature Reserve.
Thanks, Tim. Hi, everyone. I'm Matt, and I'm at Saltburn Gill Nature Reserve to give you a short demo of the virtual site visits we've been running during lockdown. We've been running them for the past 12 weeks for my Life Skills participants to basically keep in touch with them, but also to give them access to green spaces. We normally visit a different site each week, about 15 different nature reserves, and they normally last about 2 hours, with 1 hour and 45 minutes of the tour, and the last 15 minutes is a little chat just to reflect on the session, a little catch up and a plan for next week. So I think that's enough of my face for the morning. I'm going to swap around the camera. So here we are at Saltburn Gill Nature Reserve. It's a triple SRI site. It's actually semi-natural located on the coast in East Cleveland. It's been mostly...
Matt, we've just lost you a second.
Great introduction, but yes, so it's Saltburn Gill Nature Reserve. It's been mostly untouched, so it's a really good example of natural woodlands in East Cleveland. So you can't hear me? Can you hear me now? Right, so I'm just going to walk into the site. And two main things I've learned trying out all these things is walking really slow and moving the camera as little as possible seems to work best. I just need to make sure that I don't fall over, because that would be extremely embarrassing. So this first section we come to is called Benson Max. And this section has actually been cleared during wartime and then had livestock in it. It was allowed to regenerate under the careful management of the Tees Valley Wildlife Trust. It is now flourished into a lovely hazel coppice understory with a lovely oak canopy. You can see lovely oak trees. Fantastic at this time of year. Just going to find a nice patch of hazel to look at. Honeysuckle. Climbing on the hawthorn. Cypress. Nice patch of hazel coppice. We actually have some honeysuckle in flower. Get a better shot. Look at that. I'm sorry about the sound quality, guys. I try to make these site visits less of a lecture, to be honest, more of an experience. I think that my volunteers have enjoyed just actually feeling like they're walking around the site themselves, the most enjoyable part. Oh, we have some bird alarm. Hopefully a deer. So just about to descend into the valley. Hopefully get to the stream. We can see the habitat start to change. So you can see that bank of bracken. That's what the hazel coppice used to be like. Before it was cleared and allowed to regenerate. We've got a dog. Nice herb, Robert. Lovely herb, Robert. We've actually got some people crossing. So I don't move the camera. I don't actually broadcast them from Nature Park Conference. Again, lots of hazel. We should be able to start hearing the sound. Nice dog rose in flower over there. Always nice to see. and blackthorn. You can see it's got a very healthy understory. I think we've just missed the wild garlic showing. It's really nice. This side. Obviously, wild garlic being an indicator species of really old woodland. That's a nice nose. Now we're starting to see more silver birds. Lots of bird song. I'm not sure if that comes through very clearly, but we have chaffinch, blackbird, chiff-chaff, blue tit. Everything singing this morning. You see the canopy opens up with some lovely ash, letting that lovely light in for the ground flora. Morning. Lots of people here today. We're just about to get to the stream. And a really interesting fact about this stream is that it used to be bright orange, and that was due to leachate from the local iron in Skelton. But from 2000 to 2010, the Saltburn Action Group at Teesside University started remediation works, cleared the water up, removed the iron. So now it's very clear, and the fish have returned, and so much so that 3 years ago I saw a kingfisher, which is fantastic news. It shows that there's lots of food for it, and the habitat. Now we're starting to see the remnants of the wild garlic. And we're starting to see the ferns. It's up and good stems. Pendulous sedge. Always nice to see. So you can see this is a stream that runs right through Saltburn Gill. It used to be bright orange, and now it's cleared up, full of life once again, creating a beautiful riparian habitat. More mature trees. Now we're in the valley. Hard to think the beach is only 5 minutes away. I hope this makes you guys feel a little bit better seeing all this greenery.